Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you that how teachers will work in Google Meet and mute everyone or some specified students. So let's start. So first we need to download an extension for muting. So just type your web store and this website, and here we will type meet mute all, and then we'll find an extension. Wait, it's loading. So we are going to use this extension. Just click here and then click here to add it, and then add extension. So here our extension has been added. So pin it by clicking here, and then here you can pin it. So now you will go to Google Classroom to start the class. Change your mail ID. So this is one class. So in class, first I am showing you that in Google Classroom, how to turn off the stream. Go to the settings, and then this this here in the stream, just click only teachers can post and comment and then save. Okay, so my one is done. That's why it's not showing me save. Okay, and now to join, go to the classwork and then meet. So here it's loading. Click here to join. Okay, so we are first. So a student is going to join. Okay, so a student joined. So at first I will show you how you will unmute and talk. Your microphone, just click here to unmute and here to turn on the camera. And now the next option is CC, means captions. This function does that if someone talks very fast and you can't understand, then it's needed. Okay, so let's test it. The captions here in the English, here is only these languages. So only English is our common. So now someone is going to talk. Hello. Hello. Look, hello. Okay, you can turn off it. Students can raise hand and it will show to you like this. Okay, and down hand, and you can share the screen. So first you need to open it. Just go to the file you want to share, document, suppose this file. So here you cannot minimize and go to share. You need to go directly from at the taskbar. If you do it, you cannot share. So here in the share screen, click a window and then this one. Okay, to share. Okay, so it's sharing. Okay, you can stop share. Sorry, the meet attendance. Okay, now in the video I have showed how to meet attendance. Okay, so here you need to do another setting, that is just click here and then change layout and made it up to 49. Okay, and here is full screen. You can full screen it or double click to exit full screen, and then here is more options. In the settings, here are some controls of host controls, and here there are two controls, that is share the screen. If you turn this off, then the students can't share, and send chat messages. If you turn this off, then the students can't chat. So I am going to disable it. Okay, and now I'm going to show you how you will mute others. To mute others, just click here and then mute all on mute. Right? So it's taking me to the website. So now just click here to mute all. Okay, so he's unmuted, and here the mute option comes. Okay, and you can mute. Okay, and now I'm going to show you how you can pin him or her. Just click here to pin and click again here to unpin. And how you can remove, just click here to remove. Okay, so I'm not going to remove him or her. And how you can chat, just click here to chat and say just hi. Okay, and now, okay, so I have showed everything. So I hope you understood it. So thanks for watching my video, and no more today. Bye. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.